Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just a quick reminder. Part of the reason why we're seeing so much crime in the options market is because the OCC filed, I think it was OCC 009. They just filed this one, which is 0112. It's a notice of filing and immediate effectiveness of a proposed rule change to correct an inadvertent omission in a prior proposed rule change concerning OCC schedule of fees. So basically, it's this proposed change. The purpose of it is to revise OCC schedule of fees to correct an inadvertent omission in the prior rule filing that established a fee holiday for the period from November 1st, 2021 to December 31st, 2021. So basically, it says based on OCC's financial position as a result of historic contract volume and consistent with OCC's capital management policy, that prior filing reduced its per contract and per trade clearing fees to $0 for the last 2 months of 2021. However, through an inadvertent oversight, two line items in the schedule of fees related to clearing fees were not reduced accordingly. The minimum monthly clearing fee of $200 and two, a fee of 0.02 cents per side for linkage transactions, capped at $55 per trade per side. OCC is now proposing to correct the schedule of fees set forth in Exhibit 5 to file number SR OCC 2021-012 to reflect that OCC will not collect these fees during the fee holiday. So again, there's a fee waiver going on right now until the end of this year. So the first trading day of 2022, this will be over. So keep that in mind. The crime is it's heating up. So final stretch, y'all. Let's go.